Today we're going to talk about a very interesting type of YouTube channel, channels that use AI avatars in their videos. You may have already seen this type of content on YouTube. Instead of showing a real person on camera, the creator uses a digital avatar generated by AI that speaks and presents the content. For example, let's take a look at this French channel, but what's interesting is that it uploads videos consistently. Now, the number of subscribers is not really the point here. What matters is the method they are using to produce their content. If you open one of their videos, you'll quickly notice something very specific. In every single video, the channel uses the same AI avatar speaking to the audience. The avatar has the same voice, the same digital character, but the background changes depending on the topic of the video. Sometimes the background shows a room, sometimes a studio environment, sometimes a completely different visual scene. But the main character, the AI avatar, always stays the same. This creates a kind of virtual presenter, almost like a digital host for the channel. And when you see something like this, the first question that probably comes to your mind is, how can we create videos like this ourselves? How can we generate an AI avatar that speaks, keeps the same voice, and appears in multiple videos while we simply change the background or the topic? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how you can start creating AI avatar videos for your own YouTube channel. We'll go step by step through the process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll understand how to create the avatar, generate the voice, and produce videos like these using AI tools. So, let's get started. It's actually very easy because if you watch a Maiko YouTube tutorial, you can learn how to create channels like this. For example, let's say I want to create a new YouTube channel about psychology, and I want to use an AI avatar to present the videos. The first thing I would do is go to ChatGPT and ask it what it thinks about my idea. So I would write something like, I want to create a YouTube channel about psychology using an AI avatar. What do you think about this idea? After that, as you can see, the chat will respond and usually tell us that it's a good idea, and it will also give us some advice and suggestions about how to approach the channel. ChatGPT can even give us content ideas for videos. For example, here you can see some video ideas suggested by the AI. What we will do is choose one of these examples. Let's say we choose a topic about quiet people and psychology. So what we will do next is copy the idea, and then we will ask ChatGPT to turn it into a full YouTube script. For example, we can write something like, write a YouTube video script about this topic for around 15 minutes. In this case, the subject we chose is why quiet people are often misunderstood, or something similar related to psychology and quiet personalities. Now we just need to wait until ChatGPT finishes generating the script. Once the script is ready, the next step is to go to the AI tool that we will use today, which is called Vidnoz AI. This is the tool that will help us turn our script into a video using an AI avatar. When you open Vidnoz AI, this is the main interface you will see. You'll find the link in the description of this video. The first thing you need to do is sign up for an account. After signing up, you will arrive at the home dashboard, where you can see many different tools available inside the platform. If you take a closer look, you'll notice that Vidnoz offers several features. For example, you can create videos using ready-made templates, use the AI video wizard, clone voices, translate videos into other languages, and many other AI-powered tools. But today, we're going to focus on one specific feature, which is the AI avatars. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that Vidnoz provides many different avatar templates. These avatars come in different styles depending on the type of content you want to create. For example, there are avatars designed for educational videos, explainer videos, breaking news presentations, and many other formats. Each avatar has a different look, style, and presentation, so you can simply choose the one that fits your channel the best. So for us, we will click on the Create Video button at the top. Once you click on it, a new page will appear. The first thing you need to choose is the aspect ratio of your video. If you want to create a long YouTube video, you should select the 16:9 aspect ratio. But if you want to create a YouTube short, then you should choose the vertical aspect ratio, which is usually 9:16. After selecting the format, this new interface will appear. Now, if you look at the top of the page, you'll see several options. One of the main options is the avatar section. Here you can choose the type of avatar you want to use in your video. For example, you can choose a realistic AI avatar, upload your own photo to generate a personal AI avatar, or simply select one of the pre-made avatars available in the platform. Personally, I prefer to choose a realistic avatar instead of a cartoon one, but of course this depends on your niche and the style of content you want to create. After choosing your avatar, you can also adjust the position of the avatar on the screen. For example, you can place it on the left side, the right side, or in the center of the video. Another thing you can customize is the background. The background can also be changed depending on the topic or niche of your channel. For example, if your channel is about psychology, you might want a clean studio background, a library, or something calm and professional. If we scroll down a little bit, you will see the section where you can add your script. This is where you simply copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it here. Once the script is inside the editor, the avatar will automatically read the text and turn it into speech. You can also change the voice of the character from the voice settings available here. However, personally, I prefer a different method. Instead of using the built-in voices, I prefer to upload my own voice file. This is because I usually generate the voice using 11 Labs, which gives a more natural and realistic voice. So what I do is generate the voice first in 11 Labs, download the audio file, listen to it to make sure everything sounds good, and then upload it here. After that, we can also customize the subtitles. You can change the style of the subtitles, the font, the size, and the position on the screen, just like you can see here. This allows you to make the video look clean, professional, and easier to watch for the audience. Now we simply click on Generate, and the platform will start creating the video for us. At this point, we just need to wait a little while the video is being generated. Once the process is finished, we will receive a notification on our Gmail account telling us that the video is ready. So after the video is ready, we can download it to our computer. Now, instead of creating everything again from the beginning, we can simply reuse the same template. All we need to do is change the voice file from part 1 to part 2, and then click Generate again. After that, we wait once more until the video finishes generating, and then we download the second part of the video. Now the next step is to go back to ChatGPT. Here we will ask ChatGPT to generate around 15 prompts to create images related to our script. Once ChatGPT finishes generating the prompts, we move to the next tool. We will open Leonardo AI. Inside Leonardo AI, we will copy each prompt one by one and paste it into the generator to create the images. We repeat this process with all the prompts until we finish generating all the images we need for the video. Once the images are ready, we start downloading them to our computer. After that, we go to the Pixabay website. On Pixabay, we will search for calm background music. The good thing about Pixabay is that the music there is free to use, so we don't have to worry about copyright issues. We simply choose a piece of calm music that fits the mood of our video and download it. Now the final step is to open CapCut. We create a new project, and then we import all the materials we prepared earlier. This includes the AI Avatar Video Part 1, the AI Avatar Video Part 2, the images we generated with Leonardo AI, and the background music we downloaded from Pixabay. First, we add the avatar video for Part 1 and Part 2 to the timeline. Then we start adding the images on top of the video, just like you can see here. We place the images in different moments of the video, so they illustrate the story and make the content more engaging for the audience. By combining the AI avatar video, the generated images, and the background music, we can create a complete and professional-looking YouTube video. Now we want to extend the images so they cover the full duration of the video. In our case, the video length is about 11 minutes, so we will adjust the images so they last for the entire 11-minute timeline. After that, we delete all the other images except this first one. Now we go to the mask tool. Inside the mask options, we choose the rectangle mask. Then we adjust the mask so that the image appears nicely inside the frame, making sure everything looks clean and balanced. Once the mask looks good, we add rounded corners to make the image look more professional and visually pleasing. After that, we adjust the position of the image, just like you can see here. Now comes a small trick that will save us a lot of time. Instead of placing each image manually across the timeline, we simply duplicate this image multiple times until it fills the entire duration of the video. As you can see, we just copy and paste the same image repeatedly until the timeline is completely filled. We do this step mainly to save time and speed up the editing process. Once the timeline is filled with duplicated images, we go back and replace each image one by one with the new images we generated earlier. So we go through them image by image, replacing each duplicate with a different image until we finish the entire video. After that, we select all the images together and combine them into one clip. This will allow us to apply effects to all the images at once. Now we go to the effects section. Here we add the shake camera effect. This effect gives the images a slight movement, making the video feel more dynamic instead of completely static. Of course, we don't want the effect to be too strong, so we adjust the intensity a little bit to keep the movement subtle. Next, we add the background music that we downloaded earlier. We place the music on the timeline and cut or extend it so it covers the full duration of the video. Then we lower the volume of the music, because we don't want it to overpower the narrator's voice. The goal is to keep the music soft in the background, while the voice remains clear and easy to understand. Once everything looks good, the avatar video, the images, and the music, we are ready for the final step. Now we simply click export, and CapCut will start rendering the final video. And that's it. Your AI avatar video is now ready to upload to YouTube. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope this video helped you understand how to create AI avatar videos step by step. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video.